Wait, Brandy. Who gave you that?
I think this was
Looks like Uncle Albert.
Uncle Albert.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, Uncle Albert.
It's 9:14.
Wow, let me see. Hold it up. Who's that from?
Uncle Albert.
Wow.
I love cookies. This tells you this is not the one I wanted. This tells you.
Say thank you, Uncle Albert. Huh?
Thank you. My Switch doesn't teach me anything though. My Switch?
I'm gonna teach you how to be grateful, right? You're gonna say thank you, right, baby?
This is for yeah, thank you.
You might edit that part out.
Yeah.
Four.
What Uncle Albert say.
Yeah.
Four.